Updating your credit card information on Keeper Security is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log into your Keeper account. Open the Keeper Security app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the Menu or Profile section of the interface. Step 3. Select Payment Information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ask.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update your credit card details. Here you can enter your new credit card information. Make sure to fill in all required fields accurately, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new credit card details, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded and your payment method is updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your credit card information up to date on Keeper Security. Regularly checking your payment details can help avoid any interruptions in service.